Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best PlayStation 5 is probably one of the most sought-after gaming consoles in the world, and for good reason, offering a revolutionary leap in performance, graphics, and immersive gameplay that redefines the next generation of gaming, making it a must-have for any serious gamer looking to experience the future of interactive entertainment. Number 5. OIVO PS5 Slim Pro Stand and Cooling Station. Introducing the ultimate accessory for your PlayStation 5. This multifunctional stand is designed to perfectly fit all PS5 models, including the latest Slim and Pro versions. It securely holds your console and keeps all your gaming essentials organized. Keep your console running at optimal temperatures with our upgraded cooling station. Featuring 3 adjustable fan speeds, it efficiently dissipates heat, ensuring smooth gameplay even during intense sessions. Never run out of power for your controllers again. This station includes a dual charging dock that refuels 2 DualSense controllers simultaneously in under 2 hours. Clear LED indicators show you the charging status at a glance. Play with peace of mind thanks to advanced safety features. It offers protection against overcharging, overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits, safeguarding your controller's battery health. Declutter your gaming setup. This stand not only cools and charges but also provides ample storage for up to 14 game discs, your headset, and other accessories, creating a neat and tidy entertainment center. With its clean white finish, this accessory seamlessly complements the aesthetic of your PlayStation 5 console. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality for any gamer. What we like. This accessory offers a comprehensive solution for your console setup. It keeps your system cool, controllers charged, and games organized all in one place. If you're looking to declutter your gaming space and ensure optimal performance for your PS5, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This stand has a spot for your headset, cool LED light slots for other accessories, and slots for games. It has 2 wireless charging slits for controllers, extra USB ports in the front. It's really well designed, sturdy, and is of good quality. The cooling fans are effective at keeping the console's temperature down during extended gaming sessions, which gives me peace of mind. I also appreciate the charging docks. It's incredibly convenient to just drop the controllers in and know they'll be ready for the next round. The inclusion of a 3-level cooling fan helps maintain optimal temperatures for the PS5, preventing overheating during extended gaming sessions. This functionality is crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of the console. Number 4. PlayStation Pulse 3D Wireless Headset, White. Experience audio like never before. This headset is fine-tuned for 3D audio on PS5 consoles, offering unparalleled immersion. Designed for extended gaming sessions, it features refined earpads and a comfortable headband strap. Its sleek design perfectly complements your PS5 console. Stay connected with your teammates. Hidden noise-canceling microphones ensure your voice is heard clearly, while easy access controls let you manage settings on the fly. Enjoy up to 12 hours of wireless gameplay thanks to the built-in rechargeable battery. Connect effortlessly to your PS5 or PS4 console with the included wireless adapter. Beyond your console, connect to PSVR and mobile devices using the audio cable. It's also compatible with PC for a truly versatile gaming experience. Weighing next to nothing, this headset is built for comfort and endurance. Take your gaming adventures further with superior sound and communication. What we like. Experience gaming audio like never before with this headset. It's specifically tuned for 3D audio on PS5, offering a truly immersive soundscape. If you're a gamer who values detailed audio and a comfortable, wireless experience for long play sessions, this headset is a must-have. What people say. The star of the show, Tempest 3D Audio Tech, turns your gaming experience into an audioscape where every footstep, whisper, or explosion is positioned with the precision of a chess grandmaster. Games optimized for this tech make you feel like you're not just playing the game, you're living inside it. The Pulse 3D wireless headset provides an audio experience that's immersive and stylish to boot. It is designed to match your PS5. The mic. This headset has 2 mics. My friends can still hear me as loud as ever. These are very comfortable. They fit good and no complaints. Buttons are easy and simple to use. Has a party and chat audio blender button which is convenient as well. Number 3. DEATHLOOP first-person shooter. Experience DEATHLOOP, a groundbreaking first-person shooter from the acclaimed Arcane Lion. Prepare for a unique and thrilling adventure. You are one of two rival assassins caught in a mysterious time loop on Black Reef Island. You are doomed to repeat the same day for eternity. As Colt, your only hope for escape is to assassinate 8 key targets before the day resets. You must end the cycle to survive. Each cycle offers a chance to learn. Explore new paths, gather crucial intel, and discover powerful new weapons and abilities. Do whatever it takes to break free. The deluxe edition includes exclusive content such as soundtrack selections, unique trinkets, and special skins for both Colt and Juliana. Get more with the deluxe edition. What we like. This title offers a fresh take on the first-person shooter genre with its innovative time loop mechanic. You'll need to learn and adapt with each cycle to escape. If you enjoy challenging narratives, unique gameplay loops, and a stylish next-gen experience, this game is for you. What people say. This is a great arcane game right along the Dishonored series. Different story, similar art style and gameplay. Fun all the way. The game is fun and very polished. Arcane did a great job with level design, graphics and story. Multiplayer is awesome, because it keeps you on your toes when invaded and turns you into full aggression mode when invading. It gives the story mode a great and much needed change of pace. Number 2. Xbox Series S 512GB SSD console. Experience gaming like never before with incredible speeds. Dive into every mission and open world with up to 120 frames per second. Never lose your progress again. With Quick Resume, you can seamlessly switch between your favorite titles and pick up right where you left off. Tired of waiting? Enjoy lightning-fast load times that let you jump into games like Minecraft, Fortnite, and Roblox instantly. Access a vast library of games from the past and present. Play 4 generations of titles, including those optimized to look and perform better than ever. Be among the first to play exciting new releases. Access hundreds of high-quality games on console, PC, and cloud with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This console comes complete with everything you need to get started. It includes the console, a wireless controller, and all necessary cables and batteries. What we like. This console delivers incredible speed and performance for its price point. Jump into games instantly and switch between them seamlessly without losing your progress. If you're looking for an affordable entry into next-gen gaming with fast loading and the ability to play a vast library of games, this is an excellent option. What people say. Microsoft's Quick Resume feature is the real-life cheat code. Turn off the console, unplug it, do a cartwheel if you feel like it, and when you're ready to play again, resume from right where you left it. The Xbox Series S is an amazing console. It's incredibly compact but packs a punch with fast load times and smooth gameplay. The fact that the only form of storage on it is only solid state, it guarantees that you can keep the games you buy saved to the cloud and also allows for extremely fast loading times. Number 1. Sony PlayStation Classic Console. Relive the golden age of gaming with the PlayStation Classic. It comes with 20 iconic games pre-installed, ready for you to jump right in. This bundle includes 2 wired controllers for multiplayer fun, a special scratch card, and an HDMI cable for easy connection to your TV. It's the perfect gift for longtime fans who want to revisit their favorite classics. It's also a fantastic way for a new generation to experience the dawn of PlayStation. We've recreated the original's famous look, but in a compact, 45% smaller design. It features the same beloved logo and button layout, and connects easily with the included HDMI cable. While the USB-AC adapter isn't included, you can easily use your own compatible adapter from a smart device. Just ensure it meets the 5V1.0A5W or higher specification. What we like. Relive the golden age of gaming with this miniature console. It comes packed with 20 iconic PlayStation titles, offering hours of nostalgic fun. If you're a fan of retro gaming or want to introduce a new generation to the classics, this console is a perfect, easy-to-use choice. What people say. You're getting 20 preloaded games on this miniature PlayStation. Metal Gear Solid, Ridge Racer 4, Tekken 3, Rainbow Six, Twisted Metal, Final Fantasy VII, Grand Theft Auto, Resident Evil, Siphon Filter, and 10 others. It includes the 20 classic games with 2 controllers, an HDMI cable, and USB cable without power adapter. You can use a cube that you charge your phone with, download AutoBleem and get a flash drive. If it's 16 GB it must be FAT32 and call the drive Sony. Transfer all the PS1 downloads to the games folder and plug it in the second port and play Crash Bandicoot, Spyro, Toy Story. And also RetroArch will allow you to play Sega, Super Nintendo, all Game Boy systems. Some of the games been slightly changed since so much time has passed, but they work perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.